The evolution reveals surprising innovations. Mars now hosts the first ever extraterrestrial flight. Today, we explore a monumental technological achievement in space. NASA's Ingenuity helicopter made history on Mars. It demonstrated powered, controlled flight on another world. This was an unprecedented engineering challenge for scientists. Thin Martian atmosphere made controlled flight incredibly difficult. Ingenuity paved the way for future aerial exploration. Its success redefined robotic planetary missions forever. Ingenuity began as a daring, experimental payload concept. It traveled aboard the Perseverance rover for years. JPL engineers designed it for extreme Martian conditions. Its lightweight body weighs only 1.8 kilograms total. 2 carbon fiber blades spin at 2,400 revolutions per minute for lift. This high speed efficiently compensates for Mars' thin air. Perseverance landed successfully on February 18, 2021. Ingenuity was attached to the rover's belly. It remained protected during the harsh interplanetary journey. The rover carefully deployed Ingenuity in early April. Ingenuity then stood alone on the Martian surface. April 19, 2021, marked incredible aviation history. Ingenuity lifted off from Jezero crater's floor. It ascended to 3 meters for 30 seconds. This flight proved powered flight was truly possible. NASA received telemetry confirming astounding success. The Wright brothers' moment on Mars had arrived. Ingenuity far surpassed its initial planned mission. It completed over 70 successful, daring flights on Mars. The helicopter covered more than 17 kilometers total. It served as a valuable scout for Perseverance rover. Ingenuity captured stunning high-resolution aerial imagery. It identified potential scientific targets for exploration. The mission demonstrated incredible durability in harsh conditions. Ingenuity's mission officially concluded in January 2024. A damaged rotor blade ended its flight operations. Its legacy is truly transformative for space exploration. Future Mars missions will feature larger aerial vehicles. These will carry more scientific instruments and payloads. It opened a new dimension for planetary exploration. Ingenuity revolutionized our approach to Mars exploration. Its flights demonstrated unprecedented technological capability on Mars. This small helicopter achieved truly giant technological leaps forward. It proved aerial exploration is viable for planets. What an incredible technological triumph for humanity. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to explore more fascinating stories.